Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can remove age restriction on the YouTube app. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to remove age restriction from the YouTube app. So in this guide video, I will show you a couple of ways you can work around on how you can remove restricted mode on YouTube and view all of the contents and videos. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First off, we're going to start by making sure we have updated the YouTube app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in YouTube and go ahead and simply either download or update the YouTube application to the latest version. Once you've updated YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and then simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now basically the first way to actually remove the restricted mode on YouTube is by tapping on a profile icon on the very top right hand corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, right on this page you want to select the gear icon which says settings. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and select the settings option. As soon as you do that, again on the settings page at the very top you have to tap on the general option. Once you go to general, you'll be able to see a bunch of options, but we want to ignore all of that and scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen. And right at the bottom, you can see this restricted mode which says that this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this particular device. And you can see that the toggle next to restricted mode is currently turned on. If it is turned on, you will not be able to view unrestricted content. So all you have to do is simply make sure to turn this toggle off first of all. Now, in most cases, this solution usually works, but if this doesn't work for you, we're going to move on to the second solution, and that is that again we will tap on our profile icon on the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on a profile icon, over here at the very top you have this option which says manage your Google account. So all we have to do is tap on the manage your Google account button, which is highlighted in blue color basically. Once you do that, you'll be taken to your Google account homepage where you have options to customize many of your personal information, and at the very top you have to switch to this second tab which says personal info. So go ahead and tap on the personal info button. As soon as you do that, right over here under the name section, you'll find a section where it says birthday. So all we have to do is simply enter and edit our birthday, and you want to make sure that you update your birthday to at least over 18 years old, because on YouTube how it generally works is that if you're under 18 or 16 years old, let's say for example, you will not be able to view unrestricted content at all. So all you have to do is simply actually turn and enable this option right over here, and then update your date of birth to at least over 18 years old. And we hope both of these solutions may have worked for you and helped you fix and view all of the content on YouTube without any restrictions at all. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.